Hey, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Today I'll be showing you how I make my crab legs in the oven. You melt some butter, those are onions and garlic. You saute them all together. I add some red onions to mine. And then we're going to use beloved sauce in the mild. We add some minced garlic. You can't get enough of garlic. Mix it all together. Here comes the sauce. Add the sauce. I also add brown sugar to mine as well. And we just stir that together. You can add chicken broth, water, any kind of liquid you want. I usually do chicken broth with water to make it a little more thinner. And yeah, this is the sauce, getting thick and simmering, smelling good, garlicky and everything. So now we have our crab legs clean. I will sprinkle them with some Old Bay seasonings. Some other seasonings. I think I'll put some garlic powder on this as well. And then I will be pouring over all the sauce over it. And I'll be adding some lemons to it and putting it in the oven. I think my oven was at 375, so I left it in there about 30 minutes. I kept checking on it to make sure I didn't burn them. But yeah, so that's how I do mine. Here I go pouring the sauce over it. All this yummy garlicky. I try to get a lot of the sauce in the heads of the crab legs to keep it juicy and moist. You can add more butter to this, but look at this. Super, super yummy. Beloved sauce is super good. All I add to it is brown sugar. And here you go. So I base it, I take it out the oven halfway, and I make sure I put all the sauce over it and put it back in the oven. Here it is, out the oven, I believe. Yes, looking good. I added some corn and some boiled eggs, and here you go. Some crab legs in the oven, yay.